Fujian Baifeng Bamboo Products Company Limited, established in 2014, is a professional export-oriented bamboo and wood products enterprise, integrating product design, R&D, manufacturing, and sale, with rich industry experience. We are located in Jianou City, where has abundant of bamboo forest. Covers an area of 17,976 square meters and has 244 employees. Our factory has advanced automated and semi-automated machinery equipment in the bamboo and wood industry, including 20 CNC machines, 12 laser machines, 8 hot stamping machines, 4 assembly lines, 4 automatic electrostatic painting lines, 4 automatic packing lines, and 3 drying rooms. Our main products include bamboo cutting board, wood cutting board, bamboo cheese board, bamboo organizer. We have passed many international audits such as FSC, BSCI, ISO 9001, Costco, etc. And our products have also obtained many international food-grade certificates such as FDA and LFGB. We have been keeping up with the latest trends in international kitchenware and household products. Our products are exported to more than 40 countries around the world, with annual export volume of more than 1,200 containers. If you are interested in any of our products or would like to discuss a custom order, please feel free to contact us. We are looking forward to forming successful business relationships with new clients around the world in the near future.